Hello. Welcome to another video from 10x Investor Education. Today, this video is not about Bitcoin, but I just want to give an update, quick update. So this is the today's update, basically saying PayPal to let users pay for purchases at checkout using Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies. Not just Bitcoin, but they are allowing other stable coins as well. So this is for me a big news for Bitcoin and mining companies. That is the reason if you look at it today, Mara, Riot, and also Canon, all of them they went up a lot because the Bitcoin was going up to $59,000, and we know we have been tasing Bitcoin around $60,000 for a while, and as I said, there was like target of $80,000 based on options, but I don't think that's going to go to $80,000, but there is high potential that it will cross $60,000 in April. So that is what I want to give an update. So what does this really news means? So basically, payment processing giant PayPal. So with the previous news, we already know you can buy different types of cryptocurrencies with PayPal. But with today's announcement, what they are letting the users is check out with crypto, offering options such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin Cash. So right now they're offering these four coins, and they might extend to other coins later. Users who have enough cryptocurrency to cover potential purchases on a website that accepts PayPal checkout will see pop up as payment option. So, and the important thing is once the customer confirms a purchase at checkout, the cryptocurrency is then converted to fiat currency and the government issued money by PayPal to complete the transaction. So, on PayPal also won't charge a transaction fees. This is really good news because if you put $100 in your cash bank account, that is not going to grow, it's going to be stay $100 because almost 0% interest rate. I know Bitcoin and crypto are actually more volatile, but they have potential to grow. That is the reason you can still grow your money in crypto and then use that money to purchase other things. This is really good news for PayPal and also for crypto prices. Okay, next coming to this is what I would like to talk about in this video. So tomorrow is the day when Biden is going to announce in Pittsburgh about his big stimulus plan, anywhere between $2 to $3 trillion for next few years.
Unveil his massive infrastructure stimulus package Wednesday in Pittsburgh. It's said to focus heavily on initiatives to rebuild U.S. bridges, roads, and waterways over the next decade. According to the United Steelworks president, the administration is looking to spend $3 trillion altogether on infrastructure investments, but expects tomorrow's number to be for a smaller amount. The White House has not commented.
So guys, so $3 trillion plan is not like $2 trillion COVID relief plan. Okay, $2 trillion just checks were sent like that, but this is over period of next 10 years. Okay, so there is no hurry in figuring it out and jumping in and getting into these stocks. Do your research, and I will tell you how I am trading, and that might be helpful to you as well. So if you look at here, President Joe Biden will unveil this plan. Okay, so the sides of the plan, what is the plan will have, right? This is the main thing in the plan. So Brian Dees, one of the Biden's top economic aides, told senior congressional Democrats on Tuesday that the infrastructure package would amount to $2 trillion over the 8 years, according to a person familiar with the discussion. That would be paid for over 15-year period with a bump in the corporate tax from 28% to 21% and introduction to minimum tax on global corporate earnings, another person said. So there is a lot of speculation how this bill is paid. So whether it's a personal tax or I think it's mostly corporate taxes, and people are okay still from going from 21 to 28%. So this is not really good news for again tech and hyper growth stocks which make a lot of money, but this is good news for cyclical stocks where a lot of this $2 trillion goes into. So if you look at here, so I'm not getting the whole details, but there is multiple ways they can pay for the plan, but this is the idea of the plan. So close to $2 trillion in next 8 years. Okay, so why, if you look at here, just 3 weeks back, I posted a video known as Double Your Money with Safe Infrastructure Stocks and ready for $2 trillion clean energy infrastructure bill. Okay, so the bill is same infrastructure, clean energy. It's more than clean energy, I think more of infrastructure. So in that video, if you look at here, in that video, this is the note I showed. So these are the stocks I picked in that video: US Concrete, US Steel, Cleveland Cliffs. So in since I posted my video in last 1 month, US Concrete and US Steel almost went up by 35%. Guys, it's 35% they went up when other tech stocks are going down every day. Okay, so Cleveland Cliffs also is almost at 52-week high, close to $18. So if you look at for some contracting services company, Primoris, and there are other companies that I will show you, name it. This is my topic in those. Again, after steel and iron, what we need is cement. So cement is where I invested since $5 CX, and it is close to $7.20 today. And clean energy, I know this is very speculative. I told in my video, STEM is where I still bought more when it dipped, but I think there is potential for STEM and other companies. So if you look at infrastructure plan, there are a lot of stocks. It is very difficult to get hold of which is a booming stock. Okay, so that is the reason I picked a couple of stocks. At the same time, my main investment is also these ETFs. For example, PAVE ETF, which covers a lot of these stocks. For example, PAVE covers almost all the steel companies: Reliance Steel, US Steel, Nucor, and a lot of cement companies, and a lot of these consulting companies in energy and also construction. So they have a lot of these engineering companies. It's not like, a lot of companies. So this is one way to diversify. Again, this PAVE went up by close to 10% in last 1 month. So don't expect this will double in next 2 months or 3 months. But this is a long term value play in your portfolio for next couple of quarters. Okay, so this is how I have been investing into infrastructure stocks. So as I said, if you look at here, so for example, as I said, Primoris Services is a corporation provider special contracting service for United States and Canada. So they provide a wide range of construction services in multiple areas, including roads, buildings, and then infrastructure, bridges. The other, my favorite company, is Modernizing Electrical Grid. So this is a construction company. They have a lot of contracts in specialty electrical and construction services. This is again, the symbol is MYRG, known as MYR Group. Okay, so if you look at the profile of this company, it's construction and engineering. So they do a lot of company subsidiaries, provides specialty electrical construction service, performs construction service in 2 segments: transmission, distribution, commercial and industrial, and company provides electrical contracting services. So for coming to construction companies, contracting companies, these are the companies that I'm investing. And on top of it, all the steel and cement companies, because the steel prices went up a lot, based on the upcoming demand in both US and China. So the one I was talking about was actually the ETF is PAVE, US Infrastructure and Development. So the thing I like about the PAVE is because you can buy the stock, you can do covered calls, right? So you can get some premium, at the same time covering, and also if it goes up, you can buy more again and do covered calls. So options is a strategy for this PAVE. And if you look at, as I said, this PAVE as almost like a Deere, CAT, and then CSX, Nucor, United Rentals. So these are purely, I think, close to 40 or 50 companies. All are tied to US Concrete also it has. So all are tied to construction. So I compared bunch of ETFs. I think this is what I felt. This is really good to cover. So this, for long term value play, I think 2021 this ETF will do good in my view, on top of other clean energy ETFs. So hopefully you understand where I am going, where I am coming from, And as I said, these US concrete and US steel already went up by close to 35% in a month. There is still some potential for them to go in short term, but in long term, I think these are the big winners, and these companies already make ton of money. For example, Cleveland Cliffs also, their revenues are growing and they are considered as a lot of value companies. So this is what I would like to give an update on tomorrow's what Biden think, and he can actually pump up the stocks next couple of days. Hopefully you like the video. Please click the like button and see you on my next video. Thank you.